All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So after days, months, weeks, and even years of contemplating and thinking about it, the C5 Corvette is going to get a spoiler. Now, I've thought about it, like I say, for years now, at least the last 5, of what kind of spoiler would look good on it, what kind of spoiler would I want, what kind of spoiler would be the best for the C5. Spoilers in the box. I'm going to take it out in a little bit. And I'll go ahead and tell you which one I got. I got the ZR1. It's what I came down to. But I had a lot of spoilers in mind that I looked at. I took a look at this one. I took a look at this one. I took a look at this one. I even took a look at this one. But the ZR1 is the one that did it for me. So I'm going to get the spoiler out of the box, and I've had it now. You know, like I told you in the last video, just got the C5 back out of the shop. Been in the shop for 6 months. I've had the spoiler since Christmas. So I'm going to get it out of the box. Christmas. And it came already locked flat. And let me know what you think. I think it looks great. Now, the only thing it came with is this 3M tape. I do not want a drill on my car, so I'm going to use the 3M tape. That's what I'm going to use to install it. So let me get to that. I'm going to get it measured out. First of all, I'm going to get this. I'm going to wipe this out. Now, there has been no wax on the car at all, so all I need to do is get the little particles off of it, get it clean, and then I'm going to get the 3M tape on it, and we're going to get it measured up. Measured up with the masking tape, and we're going to get it on. Get a little dampness and get this wiped off. I'm going to get it in place and get it centered. I want to get it right on the money on this edge. And it's not hard at all. Use the masking tape to get my center. Use my center. Right here. That's my center point. Put a piece here. Keep it right inside of that piece. get the 3M tape on it. And setting it down shouldn't be hard at all. And when you're getting smaller, doing something that's going to be like this and going to change the look of your C5 Corvette or C6, make sure that you get the spoiler that you're going to be able to live with, you're going to like, that's going to look good to you whenever you look at this vehicle. Because once you put this on here, you're going to have a hard time getting it off. So it's going to be in place. I've made up my mind, I'm going with the spoiler, and I'm going to do it. All right, so there it is, guys. I've got the 3M tape. As you can see, it's all the way around. And I went to the hardware store and got some more 3M. So I've got it here. I've got it covered. So it's going to be on there. So stay tuned. The C5 is about to get a spoiler. I'm going to drop it on there. I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to pull these to where I can pull them off, and I'm going to drop it on there. All right, so I got all the labels pulled back, and it's ready to set down. Let me see if I can make it happen. Bring it on up a little closer so you can see it. It's on there, guys. I mean, it's perfect. That's it, guys. It's on there. It's there, guys. It's there. Man, that 3M tape is out of sight. There it is, guys. And I mean, it's pretty much perfect. That's it. Now, didn't have to drill, didn't have to do any of those things. And the C5 has a spoiler. There it is, guys. Well, guys, got the spoiler on the C5. I've been waiting. I've been contemplating, thinking about it, looking at it, and now it has it. See you on the next one.